everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic solution for keeping those beautiful silver and silver-plated instruments looking their absolute best. The MusicNomad Silver Polish and Cloth Kit, model number MN741. This kit is specifically designed for instruments that are unlacquered, like mini trumpets, trombones, and flutes, where the bare metal needs regular care to prevent tarnish. MusicNomad calls this a perfect combo kit, and it's easy to see why. It pairs their specially formulated silver polish with a high-quality microfiber cloth. The polish itself is made right here in the USA. Its primary job is to tackle tarnish and oxidation, those unsightly dark spots that can dull the shine of silver. But it doesn't just clean, it also includes an anti-tarnish formulation. This is a key feature because it provides extra protection for the metal and actively works to slow down the formation of new tarnish, meaning your instrument stays brighter for longer between cleanings. And as a nice little bonus mentioned by the manufacturer, the silver polish is said to smell great, which is certainly a pleasant change from some cleaning products. Complementing the polish is the included cloth. This isn't just any rag. It's a premium microfiber cloth. It's untreated, stitch-free, and designed to be non-linting, which is crucial when you're working on delicate instrument surfaces. The size is generous, a full 12 inches by 12 inches, giving you plenty of surface area to work with, both for applying the polish and buffing it off. The quality of the microfiber is impressive, boasting 90,000 cleaning microfibers per square inch, which helps lift and trap dirt and polish residue effectively. Plus, it's durable and machine washable, so you can use it over and over again. Together, the polish and the cloth form a powerful team. The polish breaks down and lifts the tarnish and oxidation, while the specialized cloth is perfect for applying the polish evenly and then buffing the surface to a brilliant shine without scratching or leaving lint behind. For anyone with an unlacquered silver or silver-plated instrument, maintaining that pristine look is essential, and this kit provides the tools needed to do just that, keeping the metal clean, protected, and looking its absolute best. It seems like a very effective and convenient solution for instrument care.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.